Hello, welcome back to NJW 1967. Just a short video today to show you how to remove the rear underseat ambient light from the BMW G Series cars. Hopefully you'll find this tip useful during installation of my plug-and-play wiring kits for BMW M Series cars that illuminate the headrest lights.
I've had quite a few requests to demonstrate this task, as they can be quite tricky to get out of the light holder without causing any damage. On the screen now is an example of one of the kits I produce. These can be obtained by emailing me direct at njw1967@live.co.uk. All these kits are produced by myself using genuine OEM BMW connectors. They're plug and play, no wiring to be cut or looms to be damaged to fit them.
Right, I hope you can see this. All you do is you get a little flat blade screwdriver like this, shove it into that side and pull it down, and out it pops. As easy as that. When you get it out, pull it out, and that's where you plug it in. That's where your Y lead plugs into. And then to put it back in, just clip it back in.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for calling in at NJW 1967.